Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by proving you are a student. This saves time and unlocks discounts. Use your school email and current student ID to register with a verification provider like ISIC or Student Beans, because airlines often require an approved student status. Once verified, link that account to an airline loyalty profile and save documents to your phone and cloud. Make sure to use the exact name on your passport for bookings. This first step prevents delays and ensures the discount option appears during booking. Next, search with the student portal or the airline's student fares page to surface lower options. These channels often show fares not visible on generic search engines. Filter dates and airports to find cheaper student windows and enter any student promo codes at checkout. If verification isn't instant, choose a fare that allows free changes or refunds so you don't lose money while status is confirmed. Once you see the discounted fare, proceed, but keep your verification tab open for rapid completion. Finish by uploading required documents and completing payment. Confirmations may arrive in 2 emails: booking and verification. Double-check that the passenger name exactly matches your passport to avoid boarding issues, and save receipts and screenshots in case you need to appeal. Once booked, monitor your verification status and check that the discounted fare is reflected on the itinerary. If verification fails, contact the student service or airline promptly and provide clear scans.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.